So I have a dilemma. Being a Mediterranean, living in Moscow, Russia, I miss my olives. So I went out and bought 13 different types of olives. 6 are with a stone and 7 are pitted. So which are the best? Let's find out. Smells really olivey. Well, they're all supposed to smell olivey, right? So this one, first one is black olives oxidized in brine, sterilized product. Like a juicy, fat olive, Delfini. Initial taste, super watery, virtually no flavor, super meaty, but tastes like water. Tastes like water to me. Does not taste like an olive. This one is dried Kalamata olives with oil, and it's a pasteurized product. Super dry. Super dry. No. Doesn't taste like an olive. No. I know it's dry, but it doesn't taste of anything. It tastes of salt. Does not taste like an olive. I know it's dry. It's got massive stone in it. Hardly any meat. No. Next. We have another Delphi. This one is Kalamata olives in brine pasteurized product. Let's have a look. Dark olive. Have a look at that. What do you think? Any good? Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. Super meaty. Low on the olive flavor. I mean, not great on the olive flavor, but super meaty, super soft. Maybe if you drain those and, I don't know, add a bit of seasoning or something. That could be my favorite one so far. Favorite one so far. Whole marinated in oil. Oh, these come vacuum packed. They're there. Let's take these as well. Take one. It's not very shiny. Small. Tastes really fake. Oh no. I don't know what happened there. Not very meaty. Not tasty at all. Oh dear me. Oh dear me. And I really kind of feel like these were kind of the expensive ones as well. Kalamata olives, whole marinated with oil. Do not taste like olives. They don't taste like olives. They don't taste like olives. Kalamata, are they Greek or something? They should know what they're talking about when it comes to olives. Turkish. You know I'm Turkish. I'm half Turkish. This could be the answer. It could be. Could be. It's early days yet. Dried olives. This could be the one. Could be the one. Taste. Look at that, nice and dry. Any good? Oh no. No! The Turks have let me down. That's just... Is it me? Have I forgotten what olives should taste like? I know they're dry, but they're just lacking flavor, juiciness. I mean, what's going on? Keep going. There's got to be a better one out there. This is the 6th one, also with pits. Let's try. They kind of look nice, right? They look nice. Smell really salty. There's no flavor. None. If that was ever an olive, it was probably born an olive, went to this factory and died. Because that is just not, It's just not an olive. I mean, it looks like an olive, smells like an olive. It just does not taste like an olive. Right. Fail, 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 fail. Do you know any good olives in Moscow? Let me know. Okay, moving on. This is also pitted. Let's have a look. Azbuka. It's got to be good, eh? Azbuka. It's one of the top brands in Moscow. To be fair, looks great. What do you think? What do you think? Initial taste, absolute disaster. I mean, no. We've tried all of the stoned ones. Now we've got to try the pitted ones. That means when they remove the stone, I have no idea how they remove the stone. I hope it's with a machine. So we'll start with this one. Iposi. Tap, tap. Oh, my God. This smells of chemicals. I mean, it's a fake olive. Does not look good. Disaster. Oh, God. Don't even bother. Absolutely rank. No, oh. Bonduelle. Spanish olives, they gotta be good, huh? What do you reckon? I mean, at the end of the day, what do we expect from a pitted olive? Kind of looks the part, but you know it's... Actually, surprise. Looks like an olive, tastes like an olive. Meaty, really low aftertaste though. I mean, the olive ends about 20 seconds after biting into it. You can't taste it anymore. But, not bad, not bad. Okay, how about Botanica Bez cocktail, I don't know. Black olives. These look grey. What do you think? Are they black? What do you think? Oh my God. No. I don't know, what is that? That's not even, no. That's I don't know, that just tastes like chemicals. Oh God, no. Stay away. All right, come on. Iberizia. Is that how you pronounce that? Iberizia? Don't give up. We're gonna find some nice olives in Moscow. We've got to find some nice olives in Moscow. Iberizia. No. Oh. I mean, no. Just salt. All I can taste is salt. Maybe you're supposed to wash them first. But then, no, I just don't get it. I don't get it. Come on. This is Lavka, you know, the local brand. And on it says something like mixed olives from Spain or something like that. Mixed. I don't know what. This is a Lavka one. It's probably the cheapest one. Have a look. What do you think? No. Fail. Got one more to try. That didn't taste like olives at all. Just, I feel like I'm eating plastic or something. Clearly, I'm struggling to find good olives in Moscow. Got one more to try. All right. Fancy packaging. Come on. Monini. I actually use their olive oil. It's quite good. It says aromatic and crispy. Crispy? That's not something I would, doesn't croccante, doesn't that mean crispy in Italian? It looks like they've got loads and loads of different types of olives in there. So we'll try a different couple, all right? So this is the black one. Black one. What do you reckon? Mmm. Mmm. That is nice. A bit watery, a bit soft. Certainly not crispy, as it says on the tin, or on the package. It's a green one. Have a look at that. Also a bit crispy, crunchy. There you go. We have a winner. I mean, none are brilliant. None are like, if you go to a supermarket in Turkey, with all these olives on display, and you can try them, you can pick the one that you want. 13 different types. I'm not happy with any of them, really. Push comes to shove, I'd probably go with the last one. But honestly, mate, can you see the despair on my face? Can you see that I'm a Mediterranean man yearning for a good olive? If you know any good olives here in Moscow, put them in the comment section below and let me know, please. I'm a desperate man, desperate Mediterranean man, looking for a decent olive in Moscow. Help me. Thanks for watching. Got a lot of olives here now. Don't really know what to do with them. Maybe put them in a big bowl and marinate them. Eat them for about 3 months. That's probably what I'll do. Anyway, gotta go. See you later. Thanks for watching.